Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use the microwave popcorn maker. And this is the regular size, not the family size. So if you have the family size, it'll do a little bit more than this will. So here goes. We've got the top, we've got the cap that fits in the top, and then the bowl. And what you do is you measure out kernels in the top, dump it in, make sure it's, kind of even, somewhat even on the bottom. I am not using any butter or oil, but if you did, that would go, whoopsie, hopefully I can do this one-handed. Sorry guys, needed a little bit extra hands there. Okay, so if you were gonna put butter or oil in, they would go in here. If you are using oil, your cap will stay closed. If you're not using anything, your cap will stay closed like this. If you are using butter, again, it's gonna go in the cap, but the cap is gonna stay open. All right, so I am not using any, and I'm gonna show you how easy this is. Ignore my crazy, disgusting microwave. We did corn in there, and it is kind of crazy gross. Anyway, so instead of putting this directly in the center, you're actually going to move it to the outside of your microwave, and that'll make sure that it cooks evenly. So this one I'm going to put in for 2 minutes, and I will be back in a second.